Okay, hey guys, it's Bloodhound Empire, the creepy school bus. Today I'll be explaining about my air conditioner. It's not starting properly. You see, I have it on fan right now. If I go to Snowflake, it won't start. See? It's not doing anything. My room is like, hold on. My room is like, between 10 and 20 and 60 Celsius degree Fahrenheit. My room is very, very hot. I have the TV running. It's cooling it off, but the air conditioner is not cooling me off. Like, look. It's not doing anything. Maybe it's broken today. Maybe it doesn't want to. Look at how hot it is outside. Look at how hot it is. The sun is beaming on the freaking trees. Every time I go in the morning and I start this, doesn't do anything. Hold on, I know a trick. If I turn it off, what the fuck? Okay, why is he doing that? It's a filter. Oh my god. Shit. Well, I don't know how to say about this air conditioner, but it is definitely old. Oh my god. Jesus. Bye, guys.